Today, I'll show you how to translate Jotform into other languages, making your forms accessible to a broader audience. Whether you're expanding your business to international markets or simply want to cater to a more diverse group of users, translating your Jotform is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and take a look at how you can achieve this. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. Open up your preferred web browser and enter jotform.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the Jotform homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your credentials so that you have full access to your forms. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll find a menu there. Click on the option labeled All. This will bring up a list of all the forms you've created or have access to. It's a helpful feature that allows you to easily navigate through your forms, especially if you have many of them. Next, you'll want to find the specific form you wish to translate. Browse through the list, and once you've located it, click on it to select it. After selecting the form, click on the Edit Form button. This action will open up the form in the editor mode, where you can make changes and customizations. With your form open in the editor, the next step is to click on the Settings tab. You'll find this at the top of the page, right next to the Build tab. Clicking on Settings will bring up a new menu with various options to configure your form's settings. It's here where we can begin the translation process. In the Settings menu, look for the section titled Form Languages. This is where you'll manage the language options for your form. Click on Edit next to Form Languages. This will open up the language settings, allowing you to customize the languages available for your form. Now that you're in the translation settings, you'll see an option labeled Translation. Click on Add Language to proceed. A list of available languages will appear for you to choose from. Selecting additional languages will enable your form to be displayed in those languages, offering a more inclusive experience for your users. After clicking Add Language, you'll need to select the language you want to add from the list. Be sure to choose the language that fits your audience best. Once you've made your selection, you're almost done. Finally, click the Add button to confirm your choice. The selected language will now be available for your form. With this, your form is now ready to be viewed and filled out in multiple languages, making it accessible to a wider audience. And there you have it. You've successfully translated your Jotform into another language. This simple yet effective feature can greatly enhance the usability of your forms and help you reach a more global audience. Remember, you can always go back and add more languages or make changes as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.